Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert duplicate page in Microsoft Publisher shortcut. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a publisher. Now we want to insert duplicate page. Select a page, then press Ctrl on our keyboard to select the multiple page. Then go to the insert menu and click page option, then click insert duplicate page. Now we can see we insert duplicate page very easily. Click right button on our mouse and click the insert duplicate page. Now we can see we inserted duplicate page in this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.